in for Caffeine and Octane, the largest monthly car show in America. Fill up on some coffee, top off the octane, and head on down.
Everybody wants to know, can the new Toyota Supra live up to the hype of its predecessor?
This is what made hot rodding what it is. This car was the car that everybody wanted to strip down, make fast.
Yeah, it'll go.
Oh yeah, these things are amazing.
And what is this tucked down here? Man, somebody's hiding something.
Oh, I like that.
21 window combi dragster.
Oh, that is awesome. Check this out. Helped Hot Wheels design that back in the day.
You did?
Did.
Oh,
Somebody gave me that one.
that looks like your truck.
yesterday. And don't you worry,
What the heck
I
is going on here?
brought you one.
What is
Little
this?
CRX.
That's too much car for him.
Hot Wheels? Really? You guys playing with Hot Wheels?
What?
Yeah.
What?
We're Hot Wheels judges.
For what? Judges of what?
The Hot Wheels Legend Tour.
That's right.
Who?
The car we picked got to go to the SEMA show and be an actual Hot
His
Wheels.
son got to be a judge.
Candy. If you're gonna make a Hot Wheel, everything needs to be exaggerated because you're making it in this teeny little bitty toy.
This is legit.
Isn't this neat?
It's actually something that kids can play with, but it would be way more fun to drive.
Wait a mechanic, and I didn't get invited?
We're special.
Yeah. Look at your taste in cars.
That's too much car.
You kidding me? Listen, you see this here? Y'all can play with y'all little generic Hot Wheels, okay? Magnus Walker is here, and I got Magnus Walker's signed Hot Wheels car. How about that?
So this is the original outlaw car, really? It is the car that started it all. This is the Dean Jeffries Porsche. Wow. So you own a piece of history. I do.
Your Hot Wheels is still in the box.
It's only in the box because I didn't want to take it out because
can't
it's worth
play with
a
it.
lot
You
more
can't
money.
play with it.
You can't play with it in the box.
Play with it in the
Play
box.
this one. Y'all don't know what y'all talking about. This is worth money. So we got old Corvette here and a new Corvette. What a difference. That's a carbon 65 edition. Huge difference. Dude, this Vette, that is nice. Yo, listen. First of all, let me start with this. This is badass.
So this is my 71 Corvette. This car was completely stock, matching number everything when I bought it from a friend, and we have converted it into what we think is the ultimate C3. From flared bodies, 3-inch wider in the front, 4-inch wider in the rear, a new LT4 powertrain from a new Corvette.
You fixed the problem with that Corvette had. They went away from horsepower.
True.
In the 50s, 60s, they had power. In the 70s, they completely went away. All the way down to 200 horsepower.
It's pretty embarrassing.
Embarrassing. You took care of that.
Yeah, we did, yeah. And from a Corvette. This is the only C3 we've ever seen with the LT4 in it. But it won't fit in this car, so everything you see, we had to custom fabricate, all one-off parts just to make it fit. It's such a tight engine bay in here.
This is in here perfectly. What's the horsepower on it now?
So it's a crate motor. It's 650 horse, 650 torque.
What?
Yeah. It makes a little over 500 at the wheel.
Are you kidding me? From 200 something horsepower, this makes 600?
Yeah.
That's why I got the shoes on the back.
Exactly.
Side pipe.
Yeah.
I'm excited, dude. Can I hear it?
Absolutely.
Wait a minute. What the?
So like everything else, we
got push
upgraded
button
the
start?
ignition. Absolutely.
Everything about this car is custom.